wants to hit a line right here, hit that. There's a lot of freshies over here, and I can hook back and hit those. We'll see. Damn, boy. That was fucking sick. Okay, my turn. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, there's a rock. My board will be stoked on that. Alright, here goes nothing. Holy fucking shit. Oh. Alright. Oh, that was really good. Woo. That was huge. Okay, that's what I just fell off of. That was scary. But I'm not on skis, so I didn't tomahawk. I'm gonna go to those ones next. Whew. Oh my god, I just sent it huge. I'm gonna send it that way, I think. I'll send it this way, actually. You can tell there's rocks over here and that. We're gonna do that again. That's insane. Kind of down on the crest, but I don't care. I'm snowboarding, and that's all I can really ask for. I'm gonna run it back on that hike. It's only like a 10-minute hike, and I'll see you up top again. I'm gonna show you this though. I'm looking for the groomer. I'm not trying to use all my energy in the trees. I'm gonna do that hike again. Here we are. This is the worst part. I hike all the way to there. Right down there. And we're at like 13,000 feet or 12,500, I think. But yeah, I'll come back in up there. Almost. That's a pretty crazy view of it. Sorry for my cursing, everybody. Especially you, Mom. Hopefully you're not watching this. Alright, let's find my next line. Oh, it's so deep in here. I think I hit this before, and I think I fell. And I don't... Redemption. This is kind of sus. All this Avi debris. There's a little boot right there again. Trying to do a grab. And then I fell forward last time, so there'll be more back seat. I'd way rather fall on my butt than face first again. Yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna go over here. Snowboarder's version of a kick turn, and let's send it. Alright, we're gonna stomp this. Holy f***, that was way bigger than I expected. Oh my god, I almost hit that. Yeah, I bailed. That was not even a attempt at landing. That was a don't hit the rocks maneuver. GoPro messed up. Hopefully got messed up on that cliff, not before. Looks like there could be something right here. That one's my goal. This one's about it. There, out there. Alright, yeah, no rocks, not cut. Right here, and through that way. I'm going to grab it this time. I really want to find one. This is a baby, it's like 4 feet, 5 feet. So that's the goal, like I was saying. Alright, cut this way. And then, big slash. Too small for a grab. Alright, I'm taking a break. I'll come back. Alright, for you that was 0 seconds. For me that was a few minutes. I can't tell at all what's under here. I know there's a line right there. And it kind of just sends you into that chute. Let's do that. Yeah, so that rock into the chute. Hard cut. Butters for days. And we good. The snowboarder made a line for me. Alright. This is scary. That's synonym for fun sometimes. Alright, dropping. Oh, buddy. That's what we just hit. That was scary. Alright, that was a super sick day up here. Such a wide angle, you probably can't tell, but you know, I didn't really stomp as much as I was hoping for, but they were really my first clips of the season, first big stuff, and I'm sure I just hit the biggest stuff I've ever hit in my life. I mean, like a 20-footer out there, kind of on accident, but you know, accidents happen, and I didn't get hurt, and it was like, it was planned, you know. I was ready for it, but just gonna take you with me for a couple of my 3 skip the last type deal. But yeah, some pretty cool terrain in here. There's a lot of fresh tracks, and let's ride. I've really been in here before. It's pretty tracked out, but the snow's still great. Kind of just following this like pump track. Very surfy. Kind of tight, but oh, that's tight. Once again, glad I can ride switch. I'm so curious where it's taking me. I'm going very far. Here's right. Oh no, cat track. Oh no. Oh no. Not where I wanted to be. Alright. I'll see ya. Wait for this guy to go.